Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the language in the Amazon app. Whether you need to make it more accessible in another language or just want to try a different setting, we've got you covered. This process is simple and takes just a few moments. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your Amazon account, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the account section. This is where you can access most of the app's important settings. At the top right corner of the account screen, you'll see a flag icon. This flag represents your current region or language settings. In my case, it's showing my country's flag, the United States. Tap on it. Here, you'll see two main options. Under the region section, you can change it if needed, but we will focus on the language. Tap this field to open a list of available languages. Browse through the list and choose the one you want. For example, let's select Spanish. Once you've made your selection, tap on Done or Save to confirm your choice. The app will refresh and restart. When it opens again, you'll see that the entire interface has changed to the new language you selected. And that's it. Now, you know how to change the language in the Amazon app in just a few simple steps.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.